Hola! How are you doing? Welcome. Thought to say hi and a quick, not mukbang as such, just an eating video. So today I've got fish finger sandwiches and just some rice. Just like freezer rice. No, I've not made it myself, so I'll be honest. I could say I've made it myself, but I've not. I'm going to be honest. So I thought to say hi and let's get stuck in because I'm hungry. So cheers for that. Is that rain? If you've never had a fish finger sandwich, try it. You can make them a bit more fancier than mine, but so good. I hope you're all doing alright. New hair. Red matches the top, doesn't it? I did it yesterday. What day were we? Tuesday, I did it Tuesday. I've seen it more if I lift it. You see it. I love it. Nice when it makes a change of your normal colour. But this is a colour I've been wanting to be for a while now. And I know that I was going to my daughter's college having regrowth, but we can still do it. We've got a plan. It's about to heal. It keeps going, just keeps cutting it, and we'll keep colouring it. I'll have all the colour, but it looks quite nice. It's not all. I mean, it's not that colour all the way. It's like a darker red here, but there's a word for it. I can't think what it's called. Anyway. That's so nice. But when we got it, my daughter did it for me. It was cherry red. And she was mixing it in a bowl. Red like that over there. I was like this. I was terrified. I thought, oh my god, I'm doing the right thing, yeah, what? And when she put it on, it was really red, like orangey, more orangey than red. But on my hair, but in the bowl it was really red, but on my head it was really orange. So I was really nervous at this stage. Try this. I've not tried this before. Looks quite nice. There's carrots, peas, sweet corn, and I just seasoned it a bit. That will do. So yeah, really orange, but it turned out alright. I'm happy. So I went to our retail park. I've not been since this started. Everyone was doing as I'm told, you know, 2-metre distancing and all that. And the shopkeepers have been brilliant, I think. Really on it. They're really on it. And it's good. So I went into the chemist, pharmacy. And all the hair colours were like None there. Okay. Second one. I didn't want to have to eat. So sometimes teas like this, food, dinner, just are really nice. I forgot I have this rice. Really nice. Nice prawns on that would be nice. Sorry, I feel like I'm scoffing it. Stop raining now. So it's Thursday again, so we'll be all clapping again at 8 o'clock. The Prime Minister's just been on saying that we've reached our peak now, or we're over the peak. So a lot of people have died. Oh, it's heartbreaking. I pretend it's a fillet of fish from McDonald's. I think they're going to open the drive-through soon. I follow them on Instagram, and when I see they've got something on the story, I'm like, oh. I mean, I'm not. I mean, some people were like devastated. I can go months without a McDonald's, but I must admit, the other morning when I got up, I thought I'd kill for a McMuffin. And I was watching a few videos the other night. It was open in America, and they had Big Macs, and I was like, truly. So I'm going to get a Big Mac, large fries, and a strawberry milkshake. That's what I'm getting when they eventually open. So if you're from Britain and you're all deprived of Mackies, what are you going to have when it opens again? This is really nice. I've been watching last night TikTok. It's hilarious. I know I keep saying this, and I know I keep mentioning it. There's some stories, videos that are really sad, and they do make you, they move you to tears. 1 minute you're on the floor laughing, and the next minute you fill it up. Some very funny people. I know I've talked about this on my live. I love the animal ones. No. They're the most natural ones, aren't they? And the baby ones. And then some, obviously. I've had a good think about what they're going to do and be very creative. I was laughing so hard last night. And someone had put a TikTok on me looking at the clock at 11:30 p.m. 5 more minutes. Look again, 2:30 a.m. That's me. That was me last night. With me when I go, you know. Like, you just get into it, and that's it. You're lost. So if you've not watched, I mean, you don't have to make a video, just watch it. Just so funny. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Well, I'm thinking. Gone up. So thank you very much. Really appreciate it. As always. And all your comments. I wonder if more people have made their own YouTube channels since this. Because obviously TikTok's blowing up like mad. So I wonder if YouTube's gone up. I was thinking last night, I might get discovered by someone I know. Scrolling through my YouTube videos. Thinking that. Oh well, it is what it is. I won't be saying that when someone says, "Lisa, I've just seen a video of yours on YouTube. What are you doing?" It's not me. They're our bridesmaids. It is me. The sun's out now. I've been like this all day. Should have brought a knife. Keep it together. Mmm. Yummy. I'm getting full now though. Yeah, my noodle video. It was so hot. I'm such a weakling when it comes to spice. But they were really nice though. A really nice flavour. I might try them again. But not do like a video, just have them and eat them without being on camera. They're really nice. But hot. That silent moment where you're like, what's she going to say next? There's nothing much to say, is there really? There's nothing to talk about much. It's just being at home and going shopping. I'll do another cooking video soon. I'll plan it properly. Well, that was really, really nice. Look at me hair. It's been so dark, I mean black, such a long time. Full now. And that pathetic bit at the end. Peas are a bit hard, so I'll eat them. I like peas. 16 minutes. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, but I certainly did. That food was so nice, so simple, put together. If you're not trying to fish finger sandwich, try one because it's so yummy. I'm on a block now. I will see you very soon. Take care. I always look at that. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Ta-ta.